Hello, this is Risa from Anjurisa. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will tell you more about the type of fabric that can be used with soldering iron. If you haven't watched my previous video about cutting fabric with soldering iron, please see the description below. If this is your first time to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. It motivates me to keep making videos. One of the most popular fabrics we use in crafting is cotton fabric, so you might want to try the soldering iron on cotton fabric. I've been telling that this soldering iron doesn't work on cotton fabric. I've heated up the soldering iron, still it doesn't cut the cotton fabric. Now let's try cutting one of the most beautiful fabrics. It's tulle fabric. Let's try cutting this. Tulle fabric is very easy to cut. You can see I cut this very quick and fast. You can see the perfect shape of this tulle fabric. Next, let's try another popular fabric. It's felt fabric. Let's try cutting this. I will not fast forward this video so you can see that this felt fabric is a bit thick, so we have to slow down when cutting this fabric. You can see that the soldering iron works on felt fabric, but I don't like the messy edges. This is because the fabric is rather thick. Next, let's try another popular fabric, satin fabric. You can see the right side and the wrong side of this satin fabric. Always cut from the wrong side of your fabric. Satin fabric is quite difficult to cut, but still it's faster than felt fabric, if you can see. The shape is very nice. The next one is organdy fabric. This organdy fabric is the easiest to cut. You can see I cut this very quick and fast. I really like this fabric because of the transparent fabric that makes it look very beautiful when we make flowers with this fabric. And the next one, I still use one of the most popular fabrics. It's chiffon fabric. Chiffon fabric is quite easy. You can see from the movement when I cut this. The next one is lining fabric. This fabric is very popular here in my country because with the inexpensive price of this fabric, we can get beautiful shape of flowers when we use this fabric. This lining fabric is almost the same as chiffon fabric. They are very easy to cut. And the last one is my favorite fabric at the moment. It's crepe fabric. I like this fabric because it has a unique texture. This fabric is almost the same as satin fabric. They are quite difficult to cut, so we have to cut slower than the other fabrics. So I have cut these fabrics, but it still doesn't work on cotton fabric. Of all these fabrics, the easiest to cut are tulle fabric and organdy fabric. And the second easiest is chiffon and lining fabric. And the most difficult is satin and crepe fabric. And for this felt fabric, I don't recommend cutting this with soldering iron because you can see the messy edges here. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.